Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Wayfair, full guide step by step clearly. To budget effectively with Wayfair, start by assessing your overall financial situation. Determine your monthly income and essential expenses. This will give you a clear picture of how much you can allocate for home furnishings. Next, identify your needs versus wants for your home. Make a list of essential items that you need first, like furniture or decor. After that, prioritize your list. Decide which items are most important and which can wait. Now, visit the Wayfair website and explore their extensive catalog. Filter your search based on your budget. Wayfair offers a variety of price ranges, so use the filters to find what fits. Add your desired items to your cart but avoid purchasing just yet. Assess the total cost of your cart against your available budget. If your cart exceeds your budget, revisit your list and remove non-essential items. Look for sales, discounts, or coupon codes to save on your purchases. Wayfair often has promotions, so take advantage of these offers. Once you find items that fit within your budget, check the shipping costs. Include these fees in your overall budget assessment. If necessary, consider looking at financing options Wayfair may offer. This can help you manage larger purchases without straining your finances. Once you finalize your selections, review your cart one last time. Confirm that you've only included items you truly need and that fit your budget. Proceed to checkout and choose your preferred payment method. After completing your purchase, keep track of your spending. Review how these purchases impact your overall budget. Finally, reflect on your shopping experience with Wayfair. Think about what worked well and what you can improve for future budgeting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step